Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Panchayat election on Wednesday, 7,20,015 voters to vote, polling to begin at 8 in the morning, counting on 17th and 18th. Kortali by-poll postponed. Election postponed from 2nd June to 4th June. Raymond Disa, Congress candidate for Kortali, 17th last day of nomination. Goa and Kings 11 Punjab all-rounder Amit Yadav caught in India TV match-fixing sting operation. Ranji player shows immediate interest to join Deccan Chargers. IPL 4 Delhi Punjab tie was fixed, Amit tells India TV. Goa Lokayukta bill to travel through various departments even after President's assent. Process of appointing Lokayukta to begin only after formation and notification of Goa Lokayukta rules. And basketball cleanup in Goa begins. Basketball Association Sivas and Shekhar Jain meet SAG Executive Director Elvis Gomes. Gomes suggests ad hoc committee with warring members. Now the news in detail. 7,20,015 voters would vote at 1,150 polling centres for 184 panchayats in the state on Wednesday. Polling would begin from 8 in the morning and would continue till 5. Counting of votes would be held on 17th and 18th May. Returning officers distributed the election material to the polling parties on Tuesday. Machinery is all set for polling. Watch this report.
रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर आता डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटराचेर इलेक्शन मटेरियल आसा ते सगळ्या पोलिंग पार्टींक डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट जातकच त्यो पोलिंग पार्टी आपापल्या पोलिंग स्टेशनाचेर वतल्यो. ताच्या उपरांत ते रात मेरेन पोलिंग स्टेशन सेटअप करतले. फाल्यां सकाळीं 8 पोलिंग स्टार्ट जातलें. आतां ऑल टुगेदर 1150 सुमार पोलिंग सेंटर्स आसा. ताजेर जवळ जवळ 6000 सरकारी कर्मचारी पोलिंग स्टाफ म्हणून नियुक्त केल्ले आसा. तांचे बरोबर पोलिंग स्टेशनाच्या सायजी प्रमाणे 1 किंवा 2 पोलिसमॅन आसतले. त्या शिवाय लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सांबाळपाक एक्झिक्युटीव मॅजिस्ट्रेट जवळ जवळ 40 अपॉयंट केल्ले आसा. त्या एक्झिक्युटीव मॅजिस्ट्रेटा बरोबर 1 पुलीस सब इन्स्पेक्टर आनी 2 पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल आसतले. ह्या व्यतिरिक्त पुलिसांनी प्रत्येक कडेन सॅक्टर ऑफिसर घातल्या पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटांतले, ताकी म्हणजे कसलो लॉ अँड ऑर्डर इश्यू येवचो न्ही म्हणून. इन एडिशन आमचे तालुका ऑब्जर्वर्स, त्या भायर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑब्जर्वर्स सगळी जी पोलिंग दीसभर चालू आसतलें ताजेर ऑब्जर्व करतले की पोलिंग पार्टी आपलें काम सारकें करता काय ना. सांचे 5 पोलिंग काबार जातले.
There are total 43 sensitive and 9 hypersensitive areas in the state. Meanwhile, there is confusion over the notification declaring public holiday for polling day. The notification declares public holiday only for the state government employees and workers in private establishments in the state. However, sources from the State Election Commission say that central government employees having right for voting for the Panchayat election are eligible for a special casual leave. A reporter from Panjin Navdeep Agiyar with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Kortali by-poll has been postponed to 4th June. The election has been postponed as the last day of nomination, that is on Wednesday, is a public holiday due to Panchayat poll. The last date of filing nomination has been extended to 17th May. Raymond Disa is the Congress candidate for the Kortali by-poll. However, it is still not clear whether Raymond is all-party candidate or not. Churchill has made it clear that he is with the Congress. Mickey said that GVP will announce his decision on Wednesday.
Kortali by-election has been postponed to 4th of June from 2nd of June. This is on the backdrop of public holiday declared on 16 May, which was the last day of filing nomination. This is the new schedule of Kortali by-election. 17 May, last day of filing nomination. 18 May, scrutiny. 21st May, last date of withdrawal. 4th June, polling. And 16th of June, counting. BJP candidate Elena Saldana will have to fight with Congress candidate Raymond Disa for the Kurtali by-poll. However, Congress has still not made it clear whether Raymond would be an all-party candidate. They are still in talks with the opposition parties.
कोर्टालींचे बाय इलेक्शन काँग्रेसचो कॅन्डिडेट फायनल जालो सर.
हय आजच आमची दिल्ली मिटींग जावन रेमंड डिसा आसा हाजें नांव फायनल जाल्लें आसा काँग्रेस पार्टी अप्रूव केल्लें आसा.
ओके आनी ऑल पार्टी कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो काय तेजेर कितें आनी फुडें डिसिजन
ना अजून ऑल पार्टीचें हें जावना अजून पूण इतर पार्टी आसा ती ताका सपोर्ट करूंक शकतल्यो अशें दिसता.
ओके तुमी तेंचे कडेन उलयल्ले तेजे कितें पॉझिटिव्ह
फाल्यां फायनल डेट तशी जाली.
हय
काही पार्टी कडेन आमी उलयल्ले आसा पूण फाल्यां तशी फायनल डेट लास्ट डेट जाली. फाल्यां आमी नॉमिनेशन फायल करतले आनी ताजे नंतर मागीर पळोवया कशें जाता म्हणटा
पिक्चर क्लियर जातलें तेन्ना.
हय 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 हय.
ओके आनी चर्चिलाचें नांव लिस्टान आसलें
ना ना चर्चिलाचें सजेशन गेल्लें तशें
हां
पूण रेमंड डिसाचें नांव आसलें नंबर 1 आशिल्लें.
हय आनी सिंथिया आसली.
ना ना रेमंड डिसा एकच आसलें.
एकूच नांव गेल्लें पळय.
हय हय एकूच नांव.
Churchill Alema, who was also in fray for the ticket, says that he is with Congress.
I obey the decision of the Congress.
So तुमी तांकां सपोर्ट करतले.
वय
आनी सर तुमी UGDPन वचपाचे मदींच विचार जाल्लो तशें कितें स्टेप घेवपाचे बी तसो.
ना काय ना.
GVP Supremo Miki Pacheco says that party will clear its stand on Wednesday. There are no movements from UGDP for fielding its candidate. All eyes are now set on the final day of filing nomination. Our reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
After the recent controversies in Goan cricket with a coup in the association, a different sort of turmoil shook Goa on Tuesday. Goa's Ranji star Amit Yadav is one amongst a few players linked to the spot-fixing saga that was surfaced by India TV, a national news channel, with a sting operation on IPL players. Unknowingly speaking to an undercover reporter, Amit Yadav showed immediate interest to leave his current franchisee and join Deccan Chargers for 20 lakhs. Goa's Ranji all-rounder has also said spot-fixing and match-fixing is very much present in the IPL. Prudent tried contacting Amit on both his phones, but they were switched off.
Amit Yadav was picked up by Kings 11 Punjab in 2011, and since Amit hasn't played a match for Preeti Zinta's Punjab side in this sting operation, Amit seems quite eager to change his franchisee.
अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो हम लोग एक ऑफर है आपके लिए किसी दूसरी फ्रेंचाइजी उसके लिए भी हम बात कर सकते हैं. कौन सी फ्रेंचाइजी अच्छी है? जी अच्छी तो सभी होती है यार. मेरे को मैं लास्ट में मैं इधर आने से पहले मेरे को RR ने बुलाया था. डेक्कन ने तो कंफर्म ही कर दिया था मेरे को. बार चेंज करना ये ठीक नहीं है. लेकिन अभी तो मैं चेंज करना ही है शायद. चलिए बढ़िया है. तो आप इंटरेस्टेड हुआ अगर इंटरेस्टेड तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा.
Goa's Ranji all-rounder shockingly showed interest to join another franchisee the day the IPL started this year, claim India TV.
कंफर्म है तो हम लोग आपके बिहाफ पे बात करना शुरू कर देंगे. ठीक है तो आप प्रेफर करें डेक्कन चार्जर्स हम उससे बात करते हैं. लेकिन एक मुझे बेस प्राइस तो बताइए कि आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. मैं आपको शाम को बता दूँगा. फिर भी एक आइडिया दे दीजिए. 20 लाख आपका. लेकिन 20 लाख को ब्रेकअप कैसे होगा. लेकिन एक्चुअली उनको भी पता नहीं जो नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए ना अलग निकालेंगे. वो जो भी वो निकाला था उन्होंने रेशो निकाला था कि 10 लाख 20 लाख 30 लाख तो शायद नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए वो बढ़ेगा हमारा क्योंकि हम पुराने प्लेयर हो जाएंगे ना.
Amit wants his 20 lakhs broken up in two slabs, 10 lakhs by check and 10 under the table.
तो आउट ऑफ दिस 20 लाख 10 लाख तो आपको चेक के थ्रू मिलेगा. जो भी है एंड रेस्ट विल बी
Amit is seen here saying players are fixed in the IPL and run meters are implemented in the first 6 overs of matches.
कर लिया और एक को फिक्स कर लिया तो वेटिंग सेटअप वीडियो क्या करें
पंचायती हमें खुद ही फिक्स कर देता है।
एक वीक पे है अभी आपको मैंने फिक्स किया था आपको मैंने बोला कि भाई आज मेरे को ऐसे मिला आप जाओगे ऐसी जितने टीम को ले आओ फिर करके आप कुछ नहीं होता एक आपको फिक्स कर लिया
मुझे तो है कि एक नई तरीके की किसी भी बारे में उन्होंने बता दिया कुछ खिलाड़ियों ने एक ही मुझे बताया कि सिर्फ रन मीटर क्या होता है।
हाँ रन मीटर होता है 45 से 30 ओवर में 45 ऐसे होता है एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि पट्टे लगते हैं 30 ओवर में 40 बनाना है बनेगा या नहीं बनेगा 48 बनेगा 48।
Amit actually tells India TV the Delhi Daredevils and Kings 11 Punjab match in April last IPL was fixed.
और आपको लगा कि यार ये जैसे इसके बारे में आप जानकारी रखते हैं।
मेरे को एक मैच लगा था दिल्ली वाला दिल्ली और हमारा
दिल्ली और
पंजाब
कौन सा
दिल्ली मैच था हमारा
पिछले साल? अच्छा
पूरा लगा
आप मौजूद थे स्टेडियम में तो क्या उसमें ऐसा क्या था?
पूरा लगा
देखी होगी ना।
Prudent tried contacting Amit on both his phones, but they were switched off. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.